It's been 9 years since I posted this channel, and that's going to change. I'm going to start using it again. If you're seeing this now, there's a chance that you subscribed to this channel because you saw me sing a song with a friend of mine, or perhaps you joined because I posted a YouTube video about the Eddie Aikau surfing a long time ago. From going forward, this is really going to just be a channel that I put whatever I feel like on. It's going to primarily be focused on my recent decision to become a serial entrepreneur. So I'm going to post my challenges and experiences going through that and learning about that. I may still post some stuff, some music. I might post some things about speaking Samoan, which is another thing that was on this channel. We'll see what it becomes. So yeah, I hope you continue subscribing, but if you decide not to, I understand. This is very different than what you probably signed up for. Let me tell you about a couple of experiments that I'm doing right now that you might be interested in potentially. So the first one is a YouTube channel called Theva, and this is a channel where myself and my wife, who is from Samoa, and our 8-year-old son, we travel around the United States inside of an RV. We ride motorcycles, and we are sharing our experiences doing that. So again, that channel is Theva. I'll have a link below that you can go see that. And that's one of the things that I'm working on, one of my experiments. Another one is a Facebook group for individuals who want to learn Samoan. I'll link that below again, or you can go visit the URL learnsamoan.com to find it. We are going to be building a course to help people who are beginners to learn to speak the Samoan language. That's another thing I'm working on. And I've also created a group for designers called Working as Designed. And this is for designers who want to have more strategic influence inside the organizations that they work in. So if that's interesting, go check that out. Other than that, hope you have a great day today. This has been a rough time, and it'd be alright to have people wish you a good day every now and then. So, hope you have a great day. Talk to you, hopefully, next time, if you remain subscribed. See you later.